Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to increase brain power and concentration for students. As students, we are constantly bombarded with information, and it can be challenging to retain all of it. The good news is that there are ways to increase our brain power and concentration, which can help us perform better academically and in other areas of our lives. Let's start with the basics. The first step to increasing brain power is to get enough sleep. It's essential to get at least 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Lack of sleep can lead to impaired cognitive function, decreased concentration, and memory problems. So make sure you prioritize sleep and stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Next, we need to fuel our brains with the right nutrients. A balanced diet consisting of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein can help keep our brains healthy and functioning at their best. Certain foods, such as fish and nuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve brain function. Exercise is another essential component of brain health. Studies have shown that regular exercise can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. Even a 30-minute walk or yoga session can make a significant difference in your ability to concentrate and retain information. Another way to increase brain power is through meditation. Meditation has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with concentration and memory. There are many apps and guided meditations available to help you get started with this practice. Lastly, it's important to challenge your brain regularly. Engage in activities that require mental effort, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. This will help keep your brain active and improve cognitive function. In conclusion, increasing brain power and concentration takes effort, but the benefits are worth it. By prioritizing sleep, eating a balanced diet, exercising, meditating, and challenging your brain, you can improve your ability to retain information and perform better academically and in other areas of your life. Thank you for watching this video on how to increase brain power and concentration for students. I hope that you found the tips and strategies discussed here helpful in enhancing your brain function and concentration. Remember, improving brain power is a continuous process. So make sure to incorporate these practices into your daily routine to see the best results. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.